Hello again, everyone. Yesterday, in honor of Eric Clapton's conversion to COVID denialism and his participating with Van Morrison in spreading misinformation about it in song form, we spoofed Mr. Clapton's classic Tears in Heaven. But we don't want Mr. Morrison to feel left out, and so today we're going after Brown Eyed Girl. A do 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 do. Hey, can we spread plague? Days before vaccine. Cut 'em all down. Good, bad, and in between. Laughing as we spread lies. Hey, hey. Sing of conspiracies. Me and Clapton, night and fog us. Our guitars a thumping and you. Do, 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 do. My COVID cough. You, my COVID cough. Do, 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 do. Whatever happened to good old rock and roll? Sing about freedom, peace, and love. How droll. Standing on a big stage shrieking, laughing as we rake in the dough, slipping and a sliding way down the lunatic hole with you. Do, 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 my man Clapton, and you, my COVID cough. Do you remember when we used to go just like that? Do 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 do. So hard to find my way now that I'm all old and stuff. They tell me I've gone all senile. My, I'm full of guff. But I still need money, Lord. Sometimes I'm overcome thinking 'bout moolah I've lost since I can't go filling up a stadium with you. Do, 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 my COVID cough. You, my COVID cough. Do you remember when we used to go? Okay, you get the idea.